how you can recover your Ubisoft account. Now without any further delay, let's just jump right into it. First, open up a web browser. Any web browser is fine. And after you open it, just search Ubisoft. And then go to its official website. And from here you will have to go to the login page. Now to log in, you will need to go to this icon right here, tap on it, and you'll be redirected to this page right here. Now wait for it to load, and here you will need to type in your email address. Now make sure that you type in your correct email address. Now, and after you type in your email address, since you're watching this video, you must have forgotten your password and you will want to reset it. So just tap on forget your password, and after you do so, you need to retype your email right here. Now after you've done this, make sure that you're not a robot, so just make sure you go to the captcha and tap on submit. Now after you do this, Ubisoft will have sent you an email on your just on your email address to reset your password. Now just open your mail, and as you can see right here, here is the link that you have to go through to reset your password. Tap on it and just let it load. Now there you can see, now I can change my password. I will have to re-enter an character that's 6 to 18 characters long, so let's just do that. And again, I'll have to confirm this password, and just tap on change, and that will change my password. Okay, so I just used a recently used password, so let me change that, and tap on change, and your password will get changed. Now you can use this password to log in again. Let's try. And let's wait and see, and there you go, you've been logged into your account. So that is all for the video, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more. Bye bye.